Baby.
Got that slingshot, pull it back. Aim for the right spot, then attack. We took our eggs, that was whack. And if you do it again, we're coming back.
Baby chàng anh với bạn. Anh với bạn.
你没有讲关掉啊？
Đây đây chàng anh với bạn. Anh với bạn.
单词我是学。
Let's hit the pigs till they all go to pop. We're the best birds, but we're angry. We're never gonna stop everything.
跟你们拍手。
Maybe find a golden egg and win until the next update. Black and yellow, red, white and blue. Even green is a colorful in there too. A little behind, well then let's go through all the words of the birds that are gonna help you. The red bird is the first one you meet, the first bird to tweet and the first to feed. So take a seat, watch the bird compete. Even though it's petite, it is early. It's a basic bird, it's not going on. Power ain't that certain. So the red one could be lots of fun. So we get a home run when the pigs are done. Look up in the sky and you will see blue. Cause after the red, this bird had a debut. Is my vision blurred? What's that I see? Looks like that bird just became free. Yeah, that's right, cause blue came to fight. Bringing on the clouds and breaking on the glass. Every other night gas don't need a pass. Getting every pig, even the last. You can call them as bird one, bird two. So don't forget it, say I heard you.
我开大给你看的。